Hello everyone, in this video you will be learning on how to convert PDF files back to JPG files. So for that you need to install the PDF converter app from the Play Store. Now I am going to click this app. Now the app gets open. Now in the offline converter we can see the second option, that is PDF to JPG converter. Click on this option. Now here we can see the source file is not chosen. Here firstly we have to select the files option and go and pick up any files that you need to split up into JPG. Select it. Now click on convert to image for conversion, or in the image format you can either convert to JPG or PNG or any other format that is available here. So simply I am clicking JPG and converting to PDF by clicking on the option. Now the process gets completed. Okay, now we can view this in gallery by clicking on view on photos. That's how we convert PDF to JPG files. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.